Hey everyone, welcome back. This week I'm going to be using broken cups. I have 3 of them as you can see, and I'm going to use polymer clay and the cups to make planters. So let's get started. First we will cover the cup with the clay to hide any irregularities on the cup, and also it would be harder for anybody to tell that we have used a broken cup to make this planter. Since this cup already had an unbroken handle, I decided to make another handle on the other side so the planter would look like a tumbler. As the cup is covered completely with the clay, it's time to bake it. In the next step, I made a bunch of flowers using the clay and the mold. Once the flowers were baked, then it was time to stick them on the planter using the glue gun. Now it's time to paint it. I use peach color. It looks like yellow on the video, but I used yellow and orange and white acrylic paints for this to get this shade. I stuck the wooden beads on the bottom of the cup just for a nicer look. And then I applied varnish for a shinier finish. And here's the final look. For the second planter as well, I covered the cup with the clay and then baked it. After the cup was baked, I used the polymer clay and a mold to make designs. I used the same mold to make 3 designs, and then I stuck them on the cup. Now you don't need any glue or anything to stick these designs. Polymer clay does get stuck on the dried polymer clay base as well. Now time for the second bake. At first I decided to paint this planter black, but I didn't like it. So I decided to make it red, and it worked pretty well, I think. This time I stuck 4 wooden beads because this base was a little bit bigger than the first one. Time for varnish. And here's the final look. You know the drill. I covered the third cup with the clay as well. And then it was time to bake it, and then I painted it blue. For this planter, I pre-mixed joint compound and a joint compound powder and mixed it to the consistency I like. I stuck the stencil on the cup with the help of masking tape. I applied the joint compound paste on the stencil, and when it dried, time for reveal. I stuck 4 beads on the bottom of this planter and applied varnish. And here's the final look.